Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you do not suffer from PPP, postprandial paralysis. So if you feel that it becomes too stuffy, you just take a sip of water, please. There are enough people in the room to resuscitate you, but don't do it on purpose. So my name is Prof. Plooy. I'm the chairperson of the organizing committee, and it's indeed my privilege and my honor to welcome all of you here. As the proceedings carry on, you will understand that it was quite a big enterprise to get all the groups together and have something for everybody. And I think this is a very good example where the different disciplines, where there is some cross-linkages, where there's an overlap, where we can cooperate. We are not like America, where we can have a congress in one little area and we have 500 delegates. So we have to get everybody together. And for that, I thank you, and I thank all the people who contributed to the organizing committee. Now, that organizing committee met many times on short notice. And for that, I must thank Carla, she was really the master of ceremonies, and she, on short notice, could call everybody together for a meeting to organize transport and whatnot. Okay. So, just a few housekeeping things before we start with the proceedings. After this meeting, all the judges stay behind. The word judges sound quite severe. Assessors, quality control managers, whatever you want to call them. Those are the people who are going to evaluate the posters and talks and so. So please stay behind. Then the posters must stay on, because these assessors must go through them and look at them. And tomorrow morning, the people from TOXA and the Pharmacology Society can put up their posters. Then, in the program, the drumming says Boma. It is at the Boma. I, at some stage, confused it with the Lapa, which is not, it's a little bit up, I think, that way. But I say think because I get lost here very quickly, so it's at the Boma. Then the AGM of the CMSA, the College of Medicines of South Africa, is at 5 o'clock here in Pelindaba. Then during the invited speaker presentations, after that we will not have any time for questions. If you want to ask them, you can try and corner them just after the session and try and get their contact details. The last group I need to, the last two messages. The one is for the young scientists, the young pharmacologists, the young pharmacists, the postgraduate students. Really, I appreciate that you come here to be intrepid and face the challenges of these old professors who look at you and say, oh, I wonder what's going to happen to you one day. You must make use of the opportunity. You must go and talk to the people who are exhibitors here. They are, one day, the possibility is there that they are going to employ you. Then for the older ones, not so young ones, let me call them that. This is the opportunity to network. And we can really only network properly when we talk to each other face to face, because a lot of communication goes lost through the emails. With those few words, okay, the last one. This is really, it's the 50th celebration of the Pharmacology Society. It's the 37th meeting of the Academy. It is the 10th anniversary of PHARFA, that means Pharmacology for Africa, and it's the 7th joint meeting between the Academy and our society. indeed we have something to celebrate. And the last word, welcome to all the people from across our borders, from Europe and Africa. And with those last words, I'm now going to call on the different people. You have 5 to 7 minutes, and then where is the person who is going to come and remove them if they go over the time? Where's my bouncers? Okay, I have some secret bouncers in the lecture hall. Okay, so the first person is going to be Jill Enslin, who is going to talk on behalf of TUT.